If you want to make a Krita background transparent, this is the fastest method and it only takes a few seconds. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off the default background layer in Krita, so your canvas becomes transparent instead of staying white. This is super useful if you're creating logos, stickers, icons, overlays, or any artwork that needs a clear background. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. Once Krita is open and your project is loaded, look for the Layers Docker. In most setups, you'll find it on the bottom right side of the screen. If you don't see it, don't worry, because Krita can sometimes move panels around depending on your layout. The Layers Docker is the panel that shows every layer in your artwork, and this is where you'll manage the background. Now go all the way to the bottom of your layer stack. By default, Krita often creates a background layer there, and it is usually white or otherwise opaque. This is the layer that is making your canvas look solid instead of transparent. To make the background transparent, all you need to do is find that layer labeled background. Next to the background layer, you'll see an eye icon. This eye icon controls whether the layer is visible or hidden. Click the eye icon once to turn it off. As soon as you do that, the white background should disappear. What you should see now is a grey and white checkerboard pattern behind your artwork. This checkerboard is Krita's visual way of showing transparency. So if you see that pattern, congratulations, your background is now transparent. That means anything you export with the proper settings can keep that clear background instead of filling it with white. If you still don't see transparency, double check that you click the correct background layer and not one of your drawing layers. Also, make sure you are not looking at a flattened image or another layer that has white shapes covering the canvas. The key thing is that the actual background layer at the bottom should be hidden. At this point, your artwork is ready for export with transparency preserved. Just remember that when you save or export your file, you'll want to use a format that supports transparent backgrounds like PNG. If you export to a format that does not support transparency, your checkerboard background may turn into white again. So the quick recap is simple. Open the Layers Docker, find the background layer at the bottom, and click the eye icon to hide it. That's the fastest way to make your Krita background transparent. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Krita tips, design tutorials, and easy step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.